Hello everyone. Now here it is your GK book. It's the name of Journal Trivia, class 5th. Okay, and today I'm going to teach you about your GK subject. Okay, now so firstly I introduced you the content of this book. So now look at here. Unit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here total 8 units. The 4 is your half yearly and rest 4 of your yearly syllabus. So now here first unit have 6 chapters. First is health and fitness. Second one is amazing trees. Then after number 3rd, our elders. Number 4, places in news. Number 5, holy walk. And number 6 is riverside. So now we are going to study about the first chapter, health and fitness. Now look at here. See. Look at the picture and write the importance of each. There are 4 pictures. One is exercise, second one is healthy diet, third one is meditation yoga, and the fourth one is sleep. So now hint box is here, which is also known as the clue box. Here are the 4 words or 4 sentences. Exercise. First, you have to fill the proper physical fitness. We do exercise just because of proper physical fitness. Second one is healthy diet. Healthy diet helps to growth and development of our body. Now, meditation yoga. It will helps to improvement of concentration. Okay. Now, the last one is sleep. Sleep that helps to maintain a proper functioning of the body. Okay, now moving on the next chapter. The chapter 2nd is amazing trees. Identify the trees according to the description given below. Here lots of picture of trees and you have to recognize or find out the answers or the name of the trees. Okay, so now the first one is, they are the tallest species of trees found in California, United States. The name of the trees is coast redwoods. Now, the second one, these trees are the broadest of all the trees found in Queensland, Australia. The name of the tree is Coolabah. Now, number 3rd, these trees are the largest trees in the whole world. They are both tall and large in diameter. They are found in Sequoia National Park in California, United States. The name of this, look at this picture, the name of the tree is Great Basin Bristlecone Pine. Name, what is the name of this trees? The trees known as Great Basin Bristlecone Pine. Now, number 4th, it is, this tree is the oldest in the world. It is found in the United Kingdom. Now look at this. Here you can see this picture. So the name of the tree is the giant sequoia. The giant sequoia. Chapter 3rd are elders. Elders are our well-wishers and they are the backbone of our generation and society. They are the reason of our existence and we should always love and respect our elders. Okay, it means our elders are well-wisher. हमारे जो elders होते हैं वो हमेशा हमारे लिए हमारे well-wishers होते हैं. हमें हमेशा वो guide करते हैं. And they are the backbone of our generations and our society. और वही हमारे generation और हमारी society की backbone भी होते हैं. यानी without them we are not exist in this society, and we should always respect and love them. Okay, so now here write true and false, true or false for the following statements. The first statement is, now look at this. The first statement is, we should be rude to our elders. It is right or wrong? Yes, it is wrong, just because we always polite to our elders. Now, we should respect our elders. Yes, it is true. Now, number third, our elders are the non-productive members of our society, and they don't contribute anything of our society. क्या हमारे एल्डर्स नॉन प्रोडक्टिव मेंबर्स होते हैं हमारी सोसाइटी में, जो हमें किसी भी चीज़ में कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं करते हैं? सो इट इज़ फॉल्स. दे आर वेरी वैल्यूएबल पर्सन्स. नाउ द एल्डर्स in our family include our parents, grandparents, brothers and sisters of our parents. Yes, it is true. Now, number 5, a home which serves the elderly who have now here to stay is called old age home. Yes, it is true. Now, number 6, we learn good manners, wisdom, patience from our elders. Yes, it is true, because they always teaches us the good manners and how to respect our elders and the youngers too, or wisdom and patience too. Okay. Now, the last one is, elders should not bother about their health as they are fit and healthy. It is false. Elders should not bother about their health as they are fit and healthy. It is wrong. Okay. So now, chapter number 4, places in news. Places in news, here are the names of some places which have been in news during the past few years. Just like, read the clues given below and write the name of these places. This city is the capital of a newly found state of Chandigarh. The name of the city is Raipur. Okay. Now the second one. This city is also known as Saket, is an ancient city of India and believed to be the birthplace of Lord Ram and setting of the epic Ramayana. The name of the city is Ayodhya. Now the third, this state is in eastern India, was carved out of the southern part of Bihar on 15th November 2000. The name of the state is Jharkhand. Formerly known as Taj Expressway, this 6-lane, 165 kilometers long controlled expressway connect Greater Noida with Agra in Uttar Pradesh. The name of this expressway is Yamuna Expressway. One of the state formed out of the state of Andhra Pradesh in India. The name is Telangana or Telangana. Okay. So now chapter 4 is also completed.